Good morning, students. Joyadas here. Today we will do most important portion of this chapter. This is standard form of any number. Exercise 13.3 and it is question number 3. Express the following numbers in standard form. See the number, it is 5 and after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros are there. You know that how to do it. It is very easy. So 5 into 10 to the power 7. When we will express any number in standard form, keep it in your mind that only one digit will be here and into sign, then 10 to the power something. Then it will be a standard form. Now, when the number is like this 31865000000, the number is the number is 318651235. In this condition, then see, there are not only one digit which we can express like this. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and after that you have digits like 6, 5, 6, 8, 1. Then how to express it in a standard form? So what you can do, see 31865 into 10 to the power 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to here it is okay, but as we have to express it in a standard form, then we need to put one decimal here. As I told you, to express any number in a standard form, I have to keep one digit only in front. Only one whole number is there. Afterwards everything will be decimal number. So what can I do? If I put one decimal here, that means 31865. I have to put one decimal here. That means I have to divide the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And as I have divided by 10,000, so I have to multiply it by 10,000 also, because without any reason I can't divide any number. So it is 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 10 to the power 5 is already there. So keep it as it is. So what I have done, I have to put one decimal here. To put one decimal, that means I have to divide it by 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I have done, now for this 10,000, I can put easily 3.1865. Then this work is finished. Remaining this portion, what I have to do, 10 to the power 4. This one also done. Now this portion is 10 to the power 5. Now what happened? 3.1865 into 10 to the power 4 plus 5, 9. Or you can write 4 plus 5, one line extra, 3.1865 into 10 to the power 9. Understood? In this way also we can express the number, or a shortcut way also there. What we can do? 31865 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what I can have to do, I have to, there is no decimal point, so I think the decimal point, if it is there, it is right side of it. That means these are the whole numbers. So I have to put decimal number here in front of one digit. Then how many places I am taking my decimal points? I am taking the decimal points from here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the number is coming to left side in 9 decimal places. 3.1865, the digits I have to write. Then how many places it comes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to the power 9. We can write in this shortcut way also. If you understand this process, if you did not understand this process, then go with this process. This is also very easy. So next sum we will do in this way only, direct. I have explained it in an expanded form. Next sum I have done in a shortcut form. Whatever, which one is easy for you, you can follow that one, but you have to keep it in your mind that answer should be correct. So here you see 390878. The decimal point will move from here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have written 3.90878, 3.90878. How many places it moves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 to the power 5. Same way I have done. See, here decimal is here. The number is, here the decimal number is, question number 5, the decimal number is question number 5, 39087.8. See, the decimal point is here, and you have to change the point in front of only one digit whole number. In front only one digit will be remain. So you have to change this 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what will be the result? 3.90878. The decimal point is moving from here to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 to the power 4. It was not here. It was in front of 8. So from here it is moving with one place, 2, 3 and 4. So 10 to the power 4. The number previously the number was 39,087. Now the digit become 3 point something, very less number. To make this its original with original number, to make the number similar to the original number, we have to multiply it by 10 to the power 4, so that this number and this number becomes same. Understood? Next number is, see, it is in front of 3908. Next number is 3908.78. You see the number, the decimal number, you will move now 1, 2 and 3. That means 3 places of decimal. 3.90878. The point was here 1, 2, 3. So 10 to the power 3. Understood the difference between these two numbers? The decimal was here. After that only 1, 2, 3, 4, 3,908, and here 39,087. So the difference is, here you have the decimal point will move 3 places. Here the decimal point will move 1, 2, 3 and 4 places. I hope if you watch the video carefully, it will be easy for you. Next, express the number appearing in the following statement in standard form. These are easy sums for you now. The distance between the earth and moon is 384,000,000 meter. Now you understand how to express it in a standard form. The decimal point will move from here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3.84, this 0 I will not write after decimal. So 3.84, but the decimal point is moving from here. So the places are 8 places are there. 3 plus 3, 6, 6, 7, 8. 10 to the power 8 meter. The same way, the speed of light in vacuum is 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is not any, it is only comma. 3,000,000,000 meter per second. So how many? The decimal point will move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The same way we will do the statements in a standard form. In a galaxy there are on an average this much of stars. You have to express it into standard form. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I will not go in front of you. So you have to stop here. So it is 1 into 10 to the power 11 stars. In the same way we have explained everything. And students, after that the same sum only. The earth has 1,353,000,000 cubic kilometer of sea water. Then what will be the standard form? See, the number is this 1,353, these are commas, 1,353,000,000 cubic kilometer. So how you will express 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to express it 10 to the power 9, but the decimal will move only from here to after 1 before 3, so only one digit is there, but this digit you have to write. Zeros are not required to write, but digits you have to write. So 1.353 into 10 to the power 9 cubic kilometer. The population of India was about 1027,000,000. So when you want to express the number in standard form, so in standard form the number decimal will come from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to the power 9. Now the after decimal 1 point, which numbers we have to write? 0 to 7. These numbers are not required to write because this will be the right side of decimal points, so no need to write. So the number will be 1.207 into 10 to the power 9. Sorry students, there was a mistake. So see this one, 1.027 into 10 to the power 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1.027 into 10 to the power 9. There are few sums I have given you as homework, so you can try it. It is express the following numbers in the standard form. 5985 into 0.3. You have to express in standard form. From here the point will move, and I hope all my students will do the sum correctly if they watch the video properly. Here also from here the point will move and it will stop here. After stopping here 3.43, then you have to write 10 to the power something, what you know that. Here from here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 7.004, this 0 you will not write, into 10 to the power what? You know better than me. Now students, first of all, before doing this you have to watch the explanation of the standard form. Then after watching this standard form you have to do the sums. Thank you students.